How do you get your fins to line up? That's what I'm going to cover in this video.
Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
Hi, I'm Tim Van Milligan from Apogee Components. Today we're going to talk about how to get fins to align perfectly on your rocket. Now, this design is a split fin design where it's basically two fins on one body tube. Most of the time that you'll encounter this is when you're doing a rocket that is a two-stage rocket, like this one right here, where you have a bottom stage and a top stage. Now on this particular rocket, the fins don't line up perfectly. So if I line up one like here, so this one is lined right here. If I go over to this next one, you can see that this one is misaligned. And then this one over here is really misaligned. So how do you get your fins to line up? Well, there's two ways. The first way is to use a fin alignment jig, something like this one right here. This one works good on small rockets. It's not going to work so good on big ones because the fin alignment jigs can get pretty big. But when you put these in, and the way that they're made is that they're laser cut, so the actual pattern is perfect. And when you put the jig on your rocket, you can see that this one here is aligned perfectly, and I would have no problem saying that this part is perfect, which means that obviously it's this side that's not perfect. So if I take the fin alignment jig and try to put it on this one here, you can see it's not going in. You know, I can see there's an interference right here. This one is also crooked right there. So the problem on this particular rocket is the booster stage. And so if I wanted to fix this, I'd probably have to rebuild the booster stage, probably snap the fins off and remount them onto a different rocket. And I've done videos on how to reuse fins on other rockets. So make sure that you see that one on how to do it. So that's the first method, is to use a fin alignment jig. The second method that works on the bigger ones is to use two, and this one's definitely crooked. I'm trying to find a fin that's mostly straight. So what you do is you get one fin on perfectly straight, and then you take two pieces of wood, and two paint stirrers work pretty good for this, and you kind of sandwich them between the fins, so that as you're gluing this one on, you know that this side is perfectly fine. So then you'll clamp it onto here. And you don't have to use a clamp like this. You can actually use those paper clasps. Basically all you want to do is just to hold them straight, and then you'll glue this one on and then clamp it again to make sure that it stays in place while the glue is drying. These big clamps are a little bit harder to use because as the glue is wet, it's going to want to kind of fall off. So you got to be careful on it. You want to try to find lightweight ones. And like I said, those paper clamps, paper hasps, they work really good for this kind of thing, but I couldn't find any the right size. So that is my method on how to make sure that your fins line up straight when you're doing multiple fins in line. So my name is Tim Van Milligan. You've been watching the Apogee Rocketry Workshop. If you like this video, down below you'll find the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that right now, and then when you do, there's going to be a little bell, a notification bell that also pops up. And if you hit that as well, then YouTube will send you a notification when we release a new video. And go ahead and also put the likes up button, because we need those, and that helps the algorithm show this more to other people that are interested in rocketry. So may the winds be light, may the skies be blue, and may all your rockets fly straight and true.